Welcome to English Improve. 14 super useful phrasal verbs for daily use. Be up to. Involved in, to be doing something. What have you been up to lately? I've been involved in a new project at work. Clear out. Clean out, empty. The garage is full of old stuff. Let's empty it and clear out the clutter. Put out. Extinguish. The candle is still burning. Could you put it out? Take back. Return. I borrowed your book a while ago. No problem. You can return it to me whenever you like. Blow out. Extinguish by blowing. The birthday candles are still lit. Make a wish and blow them out. Blow up. Explode. The fireworks display will blow up in a few minutes. I can't wait for it to explode. Fall apart. Break into pieces or stop working or fail completely or become very emotional. Change your shoes. They are falling apart. Sarah and John's marriage fell apart. When Sarah's mother heard this, she fell apart. Pass away. Die. My grandfather passed away peacefully last night. I'm sorry to hear that. Fall out. Quarrel or disagree. I heard that John and Sarah had a big argument. Yes, they fell out over a misunderstanding. Get away. Escape, move away. One of the thieves was caught, but the rest of them got away. Get away, don't bother me. Go through with. Complete. Are you going to complete that challenging project? Yes, I'm determined to go through with it. Hang around. Linger. Why do you always linger in the kitchen? I like to hang around and chat while cooking. Hold out. Resist, withstand. Did the soldiers hold out against constant attacks? Yes, the soldiers withstood constant assaults. Add up. Calculate, increase. Can you add up the total bill for me? Sure, I'll calculate the total amount. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.